Okay, let's talk for a second about the bands that are used on the Wildcat XX. Starting from the inside largest. If you look at this very carefully, you'll notice that it has several features. The alignment feature is the tab that sticks into the back. That's a tongue and tab alignment. It comes set to the installation diameter like this, but you'll notice the pull points on this thing are square. So this point right here is quite square. So when you're pulling on that tab, you can make it, you can pull on it with the Arctic tool, okay? The small one on the inside is for all practical purposes the same thing. So it has a tab for alignment that's on the inside that slides in that slot. It also has square ends on it. Let the camera focus. And the small one on the outside are all that way. So they can be installed with the Arctic recommended pliers. You'll notice there's tips on this tool. Okay, very pointed tips. So that works great to grab those. And I paid $60 for this from a reputable dealer. I don't mind paying for their knowledge, but it is a Lyle number 30500 that you can buy on Amazon for a little over $20. The one freaky band in this setup is the outer large. So you'll see a small tang sticking up here. That's an alignment feature, and it's also sets the diameter for installation. Once again, this has the tongue and the groove for alignment. So when this thing is properly assembled, this tang sits in the hole right there. The tang is now in this hole, and it sets the correct diameter for installation. So you put this alignment feature in the slot, and that tang in the hole, and this will slide over the boot when it's properly installed. The trouble you're going to run into is you'll notice, if the camera focuses, I have to pull on this tapered tab, and I have to pull on this tapered tab. If you notice this wave here, that's the tension element. So as you're pulling, you need to stretch that element. And this band is 10 millimeters wide, and it's 0.8 millimeters thick, so it is heavy, heavy stuff. So Super ATV sells a tool to install this. I went for the little bit more expensive one, and that's the Oettinger 141-00500, and that's a compound device. And you'll see the jaws open, and then they're also tapered so that they slide into this tang. So I'm going to see if I can demonstrate here without losing the thing, but they very easily slide into the tang like that, and has a large amount of force with not a lot of gripping force in order to install this band.
Click.